Whata Bling'n? Welcome to part 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is a big day. I think I mentioned that in the previous clip. Sorry about the glare. I did say my phone screen shattered. But anyways, we're running late like per usual. The ceremony starts at 10. First of all, don't do that. Do not do that. I was one of the first persons ready, okay? And usually, I'm always the last one, okay? Alright, so we're here walking. We don't know where this chapel is. Down there? Okay, so...
Taesha, Davidson.
Don't give up your chance.
Jenna.
Man feel like a champ right now.
Yeah.
Smiling to the bank right now, yeah. Man shining on the plans right now. Start up to be my hand drive out there. So me have to
can't get your back camera. Sorry. Oh really? Yes. You can't go it. Hey, how you feel? Like good. I'm going to find them girls. Like what? Let me see. Where's it? When you want me to turn around?
Superstar, do you think?
Where's it? Taesha.
Freestyle. Let me get the name.
Big up myself anywhere I'm there. I'm trying to stay, you know, vlogging.
Hold on.
Show them catch my foot.
No blue shoes around here.
No blue shoes. I mean, say maggot on them. I mean, say vlogger. Taesha ordered the cake from.
So cute. I'm sorry.
Because
you look so different. You guys are like ready to.
Oh yeah, I had
party.
to. So this is Taesha's cake. I'm a country of America.
Yeah, but it's in the West. Can share now the West.
You can't open up this. What's in this?
Pretty boy Floyd.
Whoa, pretty boy Floyd. Oh, yes, this is what I'm talking about. Showtime. Showtime. This is the real food. See real food here?
That one them fake down. Can I tell you, darling?
Uncle Leroy, you're going like you're afraid of it, so. People them upstairs where them did one mixing with turkey neck to make it stretch.
Looks fabulous, right?
Well, I don't really know, you know. The fish look fabulous. I did
Me
not
say
even
look.
cook it.
You never tell us nothing else.
Big up yourself, Fancy Nadi. You're in the fun day now. You come and further cook pan big Dutch pot.
You see this Dutch pot? This Dutch pot? Hey, labor. Why should us all over the fish so?
I'm happy to see them snapper here. Them pretty. Snapper, you have a beautiful body. Jimble eyes and kissable lips and a nice unique body. The Maggie seasoning there. I must feel that I must wear half a suitcase.
You're such a liar, you don't wear so much.
The little cup here, it tastes good, okay? Coconut. So my auntie's making me a drink. Say hi. You're vlogging? Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Alright. Show them kick out the foot, but that's in the shoes now.
But all burgundy?
Oh, burger. Tips for the bartender, okay? Rise and boast. That's the echo when you grab a hut. See my life, I'm a mother pot. Yes.
I just want to make sure because everybody, thank you to coming for Taesha party because she just got her pharmacy jacket.
Aww.
So also thank you to Taesha.
Thank you, Taesha.
Mommy, come on. Come.
Miss Davidson.
Alright. So, guys, I'm going to cut my cake because this was Mommy's whole thing for me to celebrate, you know.
This is Auntie Lavren's
One of
party.
these milestones in my life. This is Mommy's party. And as my love said,
And degree number 3.
degree number 3 after many. You happy? You're proud? So yeah, because you were here pushing me through, and I know it's been hard dragging me out of that dark hole sometimes, Mommy. I would like to cut my cake with you, okay?
Aww.
Thank you so much for everything and cooking for everybody at the house.
Let me close this up because Beyonce.
I know you guys probably had enough sweets today, but everybody have to take a piece of cake. Sorry. Have to take a piece of the cake. You want to take a hug? Alright. Thanks for everything, Mommy. I love you.
Aww. And you guys are
Alright, play the song.
Turn up the tune.
Bop, 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 bop.
Mommy, we love you. There's nobody that can talk for you.
No horse, no girl, no car.
What's a move, Laverne?
Me and my princess, me and my dad.
What's a move, Laverne? Come, Laverne, what's a move, man?
Proud of your mama, she love your mama.
Come. Give me 1 second. Come, baby. Thank you for always being here, Mommy. Ready? 1, 2.
me. Control your night, nigga. Sing it on the bed, make their policy. Fast, 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 the girl drop up. Come to the crumb, come give me agony. Me class her, she said she want pee-pee. Me say girl, you just not tease me. Oh, sir.
Hey, this is what daddy used to do before he was born. That's how mommy made daddy. Music.
Oh, no. Go there, Taesha. Oh, sir.
So basically, I have these little red balloons because on Sunday we lost somebody that was very close to us, Carter Kerr. You know, he was just 13, and you know stuff happens, and they laid him to rest today. And it's very hard on this family just because Carter was very close to us, and he was one of Jason's best friends. Come, JJ. Come on. Don't worry about it, JJ. It's okay. You know, sometimes things happen, we don't know the reason for it, and I guess we try to beat ourselves up by trying to justify why it happens. So Carter was just 13, and he passed away on the 13th, which was Sunday. So I got 13 red balloons because red is his favorite color. So in the next 10 minutes, I kind of just want to release them into the air, just to let him know that we're thinking about him, and he was cared for, and we do love him. Because September 30th was his birthday. So yeah, that's why I want everyone. So yeah, if anybody that knew Carter personally, if you guys would please grab a balloon, and so we can release it into the air, it would mean a lot to me. I have both sides of my family here. I'm very grateful, and as we're celebrating my life and my accomplishments, unfortunately a family has to be mourning the passing of their son, so I just didn't want him to go unforgotten. So in about 30 minutes, right, 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and release the balloons into the air. Sorry, I'm getting really emotional, but yeah. Hi, Lynn.
I'm ready to balloon.
Alright, everybody ready? Alright, guys. So Carter, this is for you. Alright? And please look over us. We miss you.
Dedicated to you, so when you see it, I hope you enjoy. Congratulations again, my love, and just continue your journey, continue to create your path, because sometimes we're gonna get diverted and stuff, but always find your way back. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and you will figure it out. Okay, lots of love.